indoda eyahlatshwa emthini, na indoda eyale ngeCalvary, na indoda eyafa yaphinde yavuka, yathi noma seyifile yaphakama ethuneni, nethuna lahluleka ukumbamba. Lase liyasibuza ukuthi ungubani lona, wathi nakafika lapha kakhona bathi inkosi yenkazimulo uJehova ebekade khona umhlaba ungakasekelwa, bathi ihlumela likaJese impande kaDavide inona konke kwavela ngaye ashakathalaba. NanguJesu wosi, na indoda yahlatshwa wosi. Alelo langa kafa ngalo basibuza nabobhani nabo-Ashera bathi ungcono ngani lona, ngoba kade abantu bafa bangavuki, lona ucabanga ukuthi ngibani? Bamangala. Ngakhumbula imuvi, hayi mani, lithi iBhayibheli kwaleso sikhathi efa kwavuleka amangcwaba. Hayi inkosi ilabakoshakata elabababakashaka inananakatalaba. Na inkosi yenkazimulo, na inkosi ebeyikade ikhona, na impande kaDavide, na lihlumela likaJese, nangu ndikhona, uNkulunkulu obekade ekhona. Shanamakothoya inilibikishika elababababakhosa inanananana. Ayikho into ekhona emhlabeni ingavelanga nje, vele inkosi zwile ngabantu wakazwane. Mina la ngivela khona kunamadlozi ahlonishwayo, angikutshela akusiyo inkosi leyo. Thinza makhelwane uthi uphenduka nini? Uthini? Can I pray with you? I'm here. I've never met a savior. I'm here. I want this Jesus that you're talking about. Lift up your hands. I'm about to pray with you. Take a last step, run, and come and stand here. Oh, as you really just celebrate so much. Bayede Jesu, bayede Nkulunkulu, unjalo ke we. The second group, I have been saved, but I'm struggling with my flesh. My flesh is my thorn in the journey of faith. Come forward. Angeke bawavale mehla bawavale like Moses. Woza sizothandaza now. The second one.